Hi students, let's see about the derivative part. Millikan's oil drop experiment, determination of radius of the droplet. Here the oil which is dropped, we are considering the shape of the oil drop as a spherical. So let us assume that the oil drop to be spherical in shape. Then rho, the density of the oil drop, r, the radius of the oil drop. Then the mass of the oil drop can be expressed in terms of density, that is rho equivalent to m divided by v. The m value can be given as m equivalent to rho into 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Here V is the volume of the sphere, that is equivalent to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. Totally there are 4 forces acting. First one is the gravitational force, second one is upthrust or buoyant force, third one is viscous force, and fourth one is electric force. So considering these 4 forces, force values, mg, the gravitational force is mg, then upthrust force is sigma into 4 by 3 into pi r cube into g. Then viscous force can be given as 6 pi r nu into n. The gravitational force, by substituting the m value, will get rho into 4 by 3 into pi r cube into g. First case, when in the absence of electric field, means when the electric field is switched off, the gravitational force Fg is equivalent to Fb plus Fv. So by substituting the value of Fg, Fb and Fv, that is rho into 4 by 3 into pi r cube into g, sigma into 4 by 3 into pi r cube into g plus 6 pi r nu into n. We'll be able to get the value of the r, that is equivalent to 9 nu v divided by 2 into sigma rho minus sigma into g to the power 1 by 2. I repeat, r equivalent to 9 nu v divided by 2 into rho minus sigma into g, the whole power 1 by 2. This is radius of the sphere which we took. The oil drop's radius we got in the absence of the electric field. We need to derive the value of g, that is q value, when the electric field is switched on. Let's go for the second case, when the electric field is switched on. Here the Fe plus Fb is equivalent to Fg. That is, gravitational force will be equivalent to the sum of electric force plus the upthrust force or buoyant force. So QE plus 4 by 3 into pi r cube into sigma g equivalent to 4 by 3 pi r cube rho into g. If we get the value by replacing the E, by transferring the E from left hand side to right hand side, we'll get Q is equivalent to 4 by 3 E pi r cube rho minus sigma into G. Then we need to substitute the value of the R which we derived in the previous case. What is R value there? 9 cube. Substituting the R cube value, 9 cube nu cube V cube divided by 2 cube rho minus sigma cube G cube to the power 1 by 2 into rho minus sigma into G. Then by rearranging all the equation and taking the value of rho minus sigma into G to the numerator, you can refer the derivation part which is done as shown in the picture. By rearranging all the values, substituting the values which is known and going for the simple arithmetic operations, cancelling the 3, cancelling the 2, division and multiplication, simply we need to do that process. So we'll get the charge value Q is equivalent to 18 divided by E pi into nu cube V cube 2 into rho minus sigma into G to the power 1 by 2. Thank you.